Hello, my name is Mertens, and have you ever felt stuck in the pursuit of a goal or a passion? On May 11th, join me and learn how lizards can derail or delay that pursuit of a goal or passion. Learn at least 3 resiliency techniques that will help you overcome and slay that lizard and put you back onto the path of your goal or passion. And then learn a technique that will place you inside a sailboat, which will help you successfully map your route and path ahead to the achievement of your goal and passion. May 11th, join me for Realistic Passion, Lizards, Resiliency, and Sailing. Thank you.